Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody, and all of you are welcome to academic writing class. And today we're going to study the topic editing. Well, everybody, you know that what is editing? Editing is the process of correction to make error free. Well, why editing is necessary then? Of course, whenever we carry out works in one time that cannot be done well, so that to minimize your weaknesses, shortcomings, mistakes, error, to avoid them, we need to go through the books, through the tasks frequently, very seriously. If you don't go, what happens? It creates lots of negative impression to the writer, so that to make the work very impressive, effective, we definitely uh, make correction many times. That's why editing is very necessary. So writers should evaluate each of her works properly to minimize and to avoid the shortcomings in the task. Of course, before the tasks get published, you have to see each and every line, all the contents. You should go thoroughly and try our best to make the task error free. And the question is that when to edit. That's obviously you can guess that when to edit. Edition process of editing can be carried out at the end of the work. When the work is completed, and we have to go through each and every line, and we have to go through each and every paragraph. We have to see all the parts completely. When the draft is completed, and we have to go through that. If addition necessary, deletion necessary, substitution necessary, what is necessary? You have to carry out all the process, the grammatical process, weaknesses should also be corrected. The draft should be very properly corrected before the task gets published. What to edit? What to edit? Yes, obviously you can say that, what is the error, what is insufficient, what is weaknesses, that should be corrected. Error are of different types, so the draft should be corrected in the various ways. There is not a single way of correction, but the draft should be read seriously many times. You have to go through the lines, properly, carefully, very consciously. You have to identify the variety of the error. While going through the line, you have to identify underlines, the insufficiency, unnecessary things, other things which are not necessary, which are not enough. This should be identified properly. There may be different sort of mistake. Okay, there may be spelling problem or the punctuation problem or the problem of cohesion and the problem of the coherence. There may be graphological problem, morphological problem. Okay, it may be any sort of a problem. It may be insufficient to make it clear. Maybe example may not be enough. The illustration may not be enough. Okay, we may not have enough interpretation explanation. That should be seen. If we realize that they are not enough, of course we have to pay. Exemplification, illustration, explanation has to be added. And there may be the problem of the citation and the quotation. If there is a problem with the citation quotation, of course the writer needs to charge of plagiarism. So that to avoid the charge of plagiarism, you have to write write it in the quotation properly in the text. Okay, first lesson quite short. Everybody, now at the end of the class, you have to do some questions. What is editing? Why is it necessary? Now, another important question starts. When should we edit our draft? And what are the points to be considered while editing a draft? Okay, everybody, thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much.